In this brief tutorial, we will see how to make multi-measure in TouchDMIS. Now, we will cover the easiest way. In the future we will see the advanced methods. Let's see. Open the measuring toolbar and select the features you like to inspect. Select the first feature. Then, in the measuring window, click or tap the measuring object list. The measuring object list window will be opened. Now we can select the other features to inspect. You can also change the order of measurement or add a comment for the output. Then, we can inspect the features. Before confirming the measurement, you can also see actual values and deviations for each feature.